Hey, Madeline, would you like to open the present from your Aunt Amy, Uncle Ken, and Cousin Cole?
She does not.
Want to open the present? All right, Andrew, show her the present.
Maddie!
Go ahead and get it, Madeline. Oh, she sees her. Look, she sees her balloon in the high chair. Oh, she's trying to get her balloon in the high chair.
I guess she does not want to open the present.
Maddie, look, it's over there. All right, Andrew, why don't you open it for her? You like your balloon, huh? You've almost got it. All right, show her. Oh, Madeline.
The walking toy.
Show her.
The alligator toy.
Well, show her. Open it. Maddie, you're not even paying attention. You're not even paying attention. You're not even paying any attention. Here, should I see on the video? Oh, look, she's getting her bear. Let me see, Andrew. What is it?
See.
Oh, that looks cool. Wow. Oh, she is going to love that.
I can't get this out.
Tell Aunt Amy, do you think she's going to love it?
I think so.